Okay. It didn't budge. It budged a little bit.
That's a good thing, right?
Go. All right, so just grab some hair and just pull it. Pull it. We're gonna see if it come off. Okay, now yank. Yank? No, you're not yanking hard enough. Okay, that's enough. If you guys are really looking for a non-slip wig, if you don't have time to glue your wig, you want a non-slip install without glue, without adhesive sprays, without any of that, then today's wig is for that. Let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you guys all the details about this hair. And this wig is from Nadula Hair. I will have it linked for you guys down below in the description box. I will also put any discount codes they have. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I like this a lot. The cap is perfect. When it comes to a no slip wig, you want something that is going to give you that all day wear, where if your wig is slipping and sliding, this 7x5 wig definitely has a lot of things. It's equipped very well to have you secure. Like right now, like look how hard I'm snatching, and just to adjust it, only the scalp part is moving. Let's talk about today's wig before I go in and start customizing it for my own look. Today's wig is a 24-inch water wave, straight out the box, really gorgeous. You can see that it comes with pre-baby hairs, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots. It just looks really good. They have it pre-made ready for you to wear. Now the one thing about this wig that's very unique is the new straps. They added the new adjustable strap in here. Now I talked about this strap recently in a previous wig and you guys loved it. They added it to this wig along with the drawstring and along with the comb in the back. Double that together and you get a really non-slip wig. The one thing I noticed about this wig that I really like is that they put the new strap, they hooked it to the actual lace on each side so that when you put it on and you adjust it, you can see for yourself that it lays it super flat to the scalp without any glue. Another thing they added into the wig, the drawstring, and the drawstring already fits the head all the way around. The cap is very stretchy itself, but when the adjustable strap is in the inside and you are able to stretch it smaller or bigger, it's perfect for anyone with any head size. All the straps in here are adjustable. The cap is very stretchy. It makes a perfect fit, so you don't have to worry about your wig slipping or sliding. In the ear area, it fits really good. It comes down just a little bit right there. Not too bad though, but on both sides, I have a perfect fit. Love that because I do not like my wigs hanging over my ear. The hair is really pretty. It's so soft out the box. I know it's one of my favorite textures. This is the middle part. You get a really deep parting here. You can switch it to a side part. That's another thing I really like about the closure 7x5. You get more space. And remember, your closure wigs are mostly for like convenience more so than long-term wear, so you don't have to glue it down. This is truly a glueless wig. Just looking at it, I don't even need to add tape or anything because like I said, it's super secure. I have done nothing to that lace at all. You can see for yourself how it's blending, and you can see that I can lift it and move it if I want to. All right, I really like this style. I love the cap. The cap construction is actually really good. I feel like when we first started with the no glue wigs, they did the dome caps. They was nice, but they wasn't comfort friendly. The way every company has upgraded their glueless caps is amazing. You guys have said I want wigs that I can wear and look natural without gluing them down. They are giving it to you. Also said I want them to be glueless, but I don't want them to slide around. And this wig, definitely adjustments they added to it. I feel like I can even work out in this, and it's just really solid. Like, no, for real, I kid you guys not, it's solid. Okay, so if you want a real true no glue wig, this is the one that I would recommend because I just love the way they made the cap. They be listening, y'all. They added the comb in the back so that when you pull the strap, it just won't be flopping or it won't just bulge up to the top.